Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Jennifer Tabakin, BEd for Constructivism. Today, I'm going to show you the different types of plate boundaries movements. So this activity called cookies tectonics. So now, let's start. Before we start, we should prepare the materials to be used. And the main materials that we are going to use is first, the cookies. Next is plate and the plastic nerve. The plastic nerve will be used to make the crack on the surface of the cookies to represent the plate boundary. As you can see, our cookies is already been cracked or sliced into half on its surface. And now, we will start the activity. The first thing that we have to do is, in the first cookie, is to pull them apart or pull them away. Allow me to demonstrate it. As you can see here, as you can see, I am pulling it softly and slowly to avoid messing up the cookies. The first cookie will be pulled apart in the end to represent the tension of the earth's surface. A gap opens in the middle of the filling, and this type of boundary movement is called divergent. Divergent is a type of boundary occurs when two tectonic plates move away from each other along these boundaries. Earthquake are common and magma rises from the Earth's mantle to the surface, solidifying to create new ocean crust. And this example is the mid-range. The mid-range is an example of divergent plate boundaries. And now, let us proceed to the second cookie. And the second cookie will be the opposite. We will push it instead to represent the comprehension on the earth's surface. As you can see, the filling the cookies rise up here and creates what we call mountain ranges. An example of this is the Himalayas group of mountains. This type of plate boundary movement is called divergent. And now, we will be moving on to the last cookie. The last cookie will be interacted by moving two ends as I move it in the opposing direction. The cookie biscuit cracks. And then it crumbles. And now the dust or the particles scatters everywhere. And this type of plate boundaries movement is transform. A transformed plate boundary movement creates a phenomenon called an earthquake. An earthquake is a very destructive natural disaster which is caused by the movement of plates that shakes the grounds a massive intensity and magnitude. So now, I'm going to show you the three types of the boundary movement, which is the divergent, convergent, and transform plate boundary movements. Thank you so much for watching.